Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your go-to spot for honest, in-depth product reviews. Today, we're looking at the Oster Classic Series 16-speed blender with food chopper and 5-cup glass jar. Whether you're looking to level up your kitchen game or just need a reliable blender for daily tasks, the Oster brand promises quality at an affordable price. So, let's see if this one delivers. This Oster Classic Series blender has a lot to offer, with key features that promise to make your food prep simpler and more efficient. It boasts 16 speeds, ranging from Pulse to Puree, providing the versatility you need for everything from smoothies to soups. The food chopper includes a 3-cup BPA-free jar and stainless steel S-blade for precise cutting and chopping. If you've ever struggled with messy cleanup, the 6-cup Boroclass glass jar is dishwasher safe, saving you time and hassle. There's even a 2-ounce filler cap that doubles as a measuring cup for ingredients while blending, so no more guessing amounts when preparing recipes. For durability, Oster offers a 10-year DURALAST all-metal drive warranty, ensuring long-lasting performance. Plus, the 3-year satisfaction guarantee gives you peace of mind when making the investment. Let's talk about real-world use. When I first set up the Oster Classic Series Blender, the process was pretty straightforward. The setup itself didn't take much time, and I quickly moved into testing it with a variety of tasks. I used it to blend smoothies, chop vegetables, and even make a few soups. The 16 speed settings gave me flexibility, whether I was pulsing through hard ingredients or pureeing softer fruits for a smoother texture. The food chopper performed well with smaller tasks like chopping onions and garlic, and the stainless steel S-blade made short work of it. The glass jar is sturdy, and even after multiple uses, it didn't show any signs of wear. One thing I really liked was the 2-ounce filler cap. So simple, yet so effective for measuring ingredients while blending. However, the noise level can be a bit higher than expected on some of the higher speed settings, especially when blending tougher ingredients. If you're looking for a super quiet machine, this one might not be the best option, but it gets the job done. Now let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, the versatility of 16 speeds is impressive. Whether you're looking to puree ingredients for a silky smooth texture or just pulse something quickly, the options are there. The food chopper attachment is another solid feature. It's perfect for prep work and saves time. The 6-cup Boroclass glass jar is a standout. It's large enough for most family-sized portions, and the fact that it's dishwasher safe is a major convenience. The all-metal drive system also adds a sense of durability that's hard to ignore. On the flip side, the blender's noise level, particularly at higher speeds, might be a downside for those who value a quieter kitchen appliance. Another downside for some could be its size. It's a bit bulkier than some other models, so it might take up more counter space than you're used to. And while it performs well, the 16 speed options might be overkill for someone who just wants a basic blender for smoothies and basic tasks. So, does the Oster Classic Series 16-speed blender offer value for money? At its price point, it does a solid job of offering versatility and durability. For the average user who wants a reliable blender that can handle multiple tasks, from smoothies to soups, it holds up well. However, if you're looking for something more high-end, you might want to look into blenders with quieter operation or advanced features like smart blending technology. That said, this Oster blender offers good value, especially when you factor in the 10-year warranty and the versatility it provides. When comparing this Oster model to others on the market, it stands out in a few ways. For example, the 16-speed options provide more flexibility than some standard blenders, and the glass jar is a notable upgrade over the plastic containers you often find in this price range. However, similar blenders like the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher or the Ninja Professional Blender may offer quieter operation and slightly smaller footprints, making them better suited for tighter spaces. That said, the Oster's build quality and long warranty might make it a more reliable choice over time. In terms of build quality, the Oster Classic Series Blender is solid. The glass jar is durable, and the all-metal drive system gives it an edge in terms of longevity compared to plastic gear-driven models. The overall construction feels sturdy, and based on the 10-year warranty, It seems like this is a blender built to last. Over time, the high-quality metal drive should hold up better than its plastic counterparts. While I haven't had the blender long enough to speak on long-term reliability, Oster's reputation for durable products and their warranty provide confidence that this is a product built to withstand daily use. If you ever need customer support, Oster is known for responsive service, although I didn't need to reach out during my testing. With a reputation for handling issues promptly, it's reassuring to know that they offer a 3-year satisfaction guarantee on the product. Wrapping up, the Oster Classic Series 16-speed blender with food chopper is a solid option if you're looking for a versatile and durable kitchen appliance. Its 16 speeds, reliable performance, and long-lasting warranty make it a great choice for home cooks who need more than just a basic blender. While it might not be the quietest or the most compact, it excels in delivering value for money. And its food chopper attachment is a nice bonus for those who like to prep ingredients in advance. If you're after a blender that can handle all your food prep needs with ease, this one is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this review or have any thoughts to share, whether you've used the Oster Classic Blender or just want to ask a question, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future reviews. You'll find the link to get the Oster Classic Series Blender in the comments box. Until next time, keep blending and keep cooking with Reviews Inside TV.